So I'm on my way from Delhi to Manali, and the bus just stopped like for a break, so I can talk now. Otherwise, it's quite quiet inside. I don't know where they stopped, like some Sheesh Mahal or something. And it's a 13-hour ride from here till Manali, and 13 hour I'll reach at 9 a.m. and then I'm supposed to go to an inn from there. I just came to the place where everyone was meeting, and now we're just getting ready and packing to go to base camp. And that's my bag. Let's go. Started the trek, and this is like towards base camp we're heading. So we just arrived at base camp. This is like where we start the trek, and it's quite cool. There's a river over there, and we have high mountains, and the tents are right there. Those are the bathrooms. And I'm just sitting here eating. Today was just a short 1 mile hike to base camp. Tomorrow is gonna be much more than that, and looks like it's gonna rain today, so we won't be able to see the stars. Those are just some stray horses which I've never seen before. Oh wait, that's an horse. That's a horse, that's a cow. And now I'm gonna go eat something because it's lunchtime. What's up, friend? What's up? Say hi to me. Shit, you don't want to say hi. We have 2 spiders, na? One spider, one. And
एक काम कर
spider 2. Where did it go? Hora. It's 10 o'clock and raining outside, and we're just going to sleep. Up at 6, had our checkup done. I got my checkup health card. That's the first day, first camp, and my blood pressure was high, so no salt for me now. But now we're just packing the tents, packing my bag, and we're gonna leave for the next camp. in half an hour. Actually, 15 minutes. We're just leaving base camp. And now we're heading towards our next camp, which is about 6 hours away. But at this camp. And we're supposed to go from there. River crossing. Today the distance is 5 times the amount yesterday, but we slept well today. Actually, I slept well and I'm feeling strong. Let's do this. So I think we're going through there, that valley, through there and then through there. I'm gonna go back there, and from there our camp. Oh shit, that's a cactus. So we're just resting over here, and we started from over there, that yellow camp. Let me zoom in. That was our camp before. So we went this way, through here, up here, through this camp, and now we're all here. It's like 9:50, and today is a 5 to 6 hour trek. So we'll be reaching the campsite by like 2. So we have 4 hours left. The mules are coming, so we have to wait for them. It's 11 o'clock, about 2.5 hours done. Wait, yeah, 2.5 hours done, and we still have 2.5 to 3 hours left. We're now heading to our second camp, which is under that waterfall, they say. Don't know exactly where it is though. We reached camp 2 at like 2 p.m. We had a river crossing today. That was fun. Couldn't film that because it was wet. And now it's 5 o'clock. I missed tea because I was just roaming around, and quite tired now.
You may be too good for me. I'm only fool for.
We can actually see snow from this camp. Wait, let me show you if I can see, or maybe it might be covered by clouds. Let me see. Yeah, it's all covered by clouds, but there was a peak over there, we could see snow. But not now.
It all.
It's day 3. I just woke up. It's 6:30. Today we have, I think, a 6-7 hour trek, and I'm gonna eat breakfast now. I'm now gonna brush. This is we're heading towards Camp 3. The camp's called Shia Guru. It's 9 o'clock right now. Expected to reach by 2. And feeling okay. Not great, but okay.
Pretty lies, look me in the face.
So one of the guys have had to go back because of high blood pressure. Let's just hope that no one else has to go back, because now he's going all the way down. We're already at Camp 3, heading into Camp 4, which is called Shia Guru, and he's still he's heading down to Camp 1. Let's see how it goes. We also have this trek doggy trekking with us. He's come from Camp 1.
Been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You slurring all your words, slurring all your words, not making any sense.
We're all just eating, having chai and Maggie inside there. I've had my chai and now I'm just going to go see the river. Stream actually, not river.
Cause I have feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there.
That's a glacier, not snow, and it's raining, so we had to wear this poncho. It's 12 o'clock. We are on our way to the camp. It's raining a lot. Check it out. Actually, it's not raining a lot, but it's drizzling, and my hands are freezing. I can almost not feel them, but I'm too lazy to take out gloves. We're now immersed in the clouds, and visibility is very low. I can hardly see those people over there, and we're heading this way where our camp is. Let's go. We just crossed this river, and now these people are crossing the river, and we're heading that way. We arrived at Camp 3. This camp's called Baluka Gera. It's 12,411 feet, which is 3,000 feet higher than the previous camp. So this is the camp. We're sleeping over here, and our trek is over for today. It's 1:37. We trekked for about since 9 o'clock till 1:30, which is 4.5 to 5 hours. We also had a river crossing, but that was babyish. And oh, there's a horse over there. Actually, a mule.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all.
Wow, so good.
You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense. But I don't fucking care at all. Cause
So we're just playing some games right now, like fun games. Check out the view. My team already got out, so we were playing virtual volleyball, and now I'm just waiting, looking at the other guys playing over there. Fun game, fun game.
feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care.